What is up, guys? Today, we're going to work on that pissy pat. Just clean everything. Just make sure there's not coming from anywhere else. Definitely that. You need these cum guards. So we take out these bolts with the engine mount, and it goes back there like that. It's still in the way, but we must release them. These bolts will need to come out first. And then there is hidden bolts in there and in there. You cannot see and you cannot reach. But they must come out. And then the rest of them around. Scratch that, you need to pull out bolts there for the subframe, and they need to come down. Yes, all the subframe bolts and the gearbox bolts. We need to set these to 0.5 Oga Dogas. I wish I have 3 hands. These are loosened, right? And then I probably need to loosen this one and this one, and I don't know. Why is this so easy? I do not understand. This can't be easy. No easy. Need to drop this subframe, but hidden bolt is right there. If you can loosened, I'll loosen right now. Only 3 bolts or something. After all the effort I'm blinding, it's all right. See it. Didn't even get to this. So I did all them bolts right there. Pew 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 pew. And I discovered she's already loose. Now she delivered a baby boy. I'm gonna take the screen off. It's a bit buckled looking. This pump looks good. So yeah, subframe is just low enough for it. Come to think about it, there is no fucking sealer on it at all. No gasket. What? Can't find another screen there somewhere of the spare engine. Can't be seen. So I clean it up, dented it a bit. It's alright. It's nice and clean now. Oh, some petrol. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez. Oh, had to drop everything and go shopping with my mum. Fuck's sake, wasted my time. Did way. Yeah. I see one ridge there. Where's the other one? Before putting the sump back on, you need to align the flywheel so you can put the 2 bolts up. So you take this off and then you turn the engine. In order to turn the engine, you need to take one of these off and use one of those tools there to turn the engine so you can align the flywheel so you can put the 2 bolts up. Choose these clip here, these clip there, and then you pull upwards. If y'all please laughing at me, but if it fucking works, it's not stupid, right? This is absolutely daft. There's something off about this. I see some broken plastic back there. If that's the case, I have to take down that fucking gearbox as well. Oh, fuck this shit. Time to say hello to the kitties. Hello. Meow. Hello there. Oh, look at them. Hi Hitler, how are you? Focus, you cunt. Hiya. When you've 15 minutes left to put the sump on and you find out another problem and another problem and another problem, and it's a big one. It's just time to talk to the kittens instead. Just, you know, de-stress. Now right. Sickening, man. And the plan is I'm going to put the subframes up, the drop links, the wheels, get it sitting on the ground,
and then I'll find one of those metal wedge thing to put the car up so I can bring it up higher, and then I can take down the gearbox. But it's going to be some horrible job. Actually, I'm going to need to pull the whole front off the bumper and everything, because I'm going to make shite out of it, and I might use a small shite of a tractor to put it up because I've no trailer hitch on my car. No hitch on the van. There might be a towing hook on it, but I have to do that first before I start putting it together. So it's not the end of the world anyways. Like, I can do evenings now, seeing that there's time is stretching a bit and I can see where I'm going. Half an hour left. Call it a day already. This bolt won't go through this fucking hole. Rest them, no problem.